Hi friends, you are most welcome on my YouTube channel, that is Digital Marketing with Gaurav. Today our topic is Salesforce Marketing Cloud interview questions, that is frequently related to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud consultant interview questions and answers. So let's start one by one questions. We initially put here easy level of question, after that gradually increase the medium, and after that advanced questions. So let's start questions one by one. Your first question is, why do companies use Salesforce Marketing Cloud? So here is the answer is that companies uses Salesforce Marketing Cloud because of the numerous benefits it offers. This includes data management, third-party applications, integration capabilities, and AI applications. So guys, one thing I want to clear that don't mug up these all questions. This is all scenario based questions. So try to understand and try to implement on your SFMC platform to clear all the confusions. So second number question is, how does Salesforce Marketing Cloud help companies better understand their customers? So here answer is, with Salesforce Marketing Cloud SFMC, organizations are able to understand their customers in a better light. This platform offers companies an integrated solution to help with their email advertising, content management and creations, customer journey management, web personalizations, and data analysis, hence enabling them to reach out to new audiences and expand their growth. Next question, how are contacts different from the subscribers in SFMC? So, contacts in SFMC refers to the details of entity inserted in the database, while the subscribers refer to the contacts that have said yes to receiving communication in the form of SMS, email, etc. from an organization. Next question, we are moving on. What is A/B testing? A/B testing is a popular market testing method. In this, two versions of SFMC Email Studio communication are sent to two test audience picked from your subscriber list. This enables tracking which version gets better click-through rate and open rate. The one that perform better will be sent the remaining subscribers. Next question, what is the use of Pardot? Answer, Pardot was acquired by Salesforce in 2013, which is B2B marketing automation solution. It provides exceptional marketing automation solution to enable B2B organizations of all sizes and nature to fulfill their needs. It facilitates organizations in achieving marketing and sales team alignment effectively using existing resources and exceeding their revenues goal. Next question, what are the various data sources for Journey Builder? So answer is that Journey Builder have four different data sources. These are data extension, Salesforce data, API, list, events. Number seventh question, name a few actions performed by Data Studio. Some of the common actions performed by Data Studio are figuring out the target audience, discovering bulk high quality audiences at once. Third number, protecting and handling key information. Fourth number, assisting in strengthening the income. Next question, name the different list available for subscription in SFMC. The list of records available for subscription are publication list, exclusion list, all subscriber list, and suppression list. Ninth number question, what is Journey Builder in SFMC? Journey Builder in SFMC provides great insight into the customer interaction throughout communication and marketing channels. This includes social ads, email, mobile, and more. Once these actions are connected, understanding the customers become easier. Along with these, companies can design automate campaigns, secure customer loyalty, enhance message building, and offer seamless customer experiences. Number 10 question. Here we are moving on the scenario based question. So we are going to start one by one. Scenario based question these are. So don't mug up these all questions. So question is, can you describe your experience with Salesforce Marketing Cloud and how it prepared you for this role. So example answer is, I have extensive experience with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, having used its suite to, of tools for several years. My proficiency lies in leveraging Journey Builder to create personalized customer journeys and Email Studio for targeted email campaigns. My knowledge extends to using Audience Builder for segmentation and predictive analysis. I have also utilized Social Studio for social media management and advertising. This hands-on experience has given me a deep understanding of the platform's capabilities, allowing me to devise effective marketing strategies. It has equipped me with skills to troubleshoot issues, optimize users, and providing training, all crucial for the consultant role. What strategy would you employ to optimize email campaigns within Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Answer. To optimize email campaigns in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, I would use A/B testing to understand what content resonates best with the audiences. This could involve experimenting with different subject lines, email design, and call to actions buttons. I would also leverage segmentation and personalization features to deliver more relevant messages to a specific group of customers. For instance, we can create dynamic content that changed based on a subscriber's profile or behavior. Additionally, using analytics tool within Salesforce IDs, monitor key metrics like open rate, click-through rates, and conversion rates to measure campaigns performance and make necessary adjustment according to that. And lastly, implementing automations workflow can help streamline process and ensure timely delivery of emails. Triggered emails based on customers' actions can significantly improve engagement levels. So next question is, can you detail your understanding of data extension in Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Yeah, answer is, data extension in Salesforce Marketing Cloud are similar to database table, storing data that can be used across the platform. They contain fields of different types such as text, number, and date. There are two main types of data extension, that is standard data extension and sendable data extension. The former is for general storage, while the latter link data to individual subscriber for personalized communications. They offer flexibility in segmentation, personalization, and reporting. However, understanding their structure and relationship is crucial for effective use. Mismanagement can lead to data silos or breaches. Number fourth question, how would you approach integrating Salesforce Marketing Cloud with other platforms? Answer. Integrating Salesforce Marketing Cloud with other platforms requires a strategic approach. Understanding the business need to mapping out the data flow is crucial. Next, identify the right integration tools such as API or middleware solutions like MuleSoft is necessary. This depends on factors like volume of data, real time versus batch processing requirements, and complexity of data transformations involving stakeholders from both system in planning and testing phases ensures smooth implementation. Regular communication about progress and challenges can help manage expectations and mitigate risk. Post integration, it's important to monitor performance regularly, troubleshoot issue promptly, and optimize for efficiency, training users on new process and providing supports at successful adoption. So this whole question is very important to understand the scenarios, and try to take a screenshot of these all questions and go through one by one. Could you explain a scenario where you had to troubleshoot problem within Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Answer. In one instance, a client was facing issue with their email campaign deliverability in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. The emails were ending up with the spam folder of recipients. I began by reviewing the content of the email and found that they contains word frequently flagged as spam. I advised the client to revise their content to avoid these triggers. Next, I checked the reputation of the IP address and found it has been blacklisted due to high bounce rates. To resolve this, we implemented an IP warming strategy to gradually increase email volume and improve IP reputation over time. This experience taught me the importance of maintaining good sending practices and monitoring campaign performance regularly within Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Next question. In your experience, what is the most challenging aspect of using Salesforce Marketing Cloud and how do you handle it? Answer is one of the most challenging aspect of using Salesforce Marketing Cloud is data management. The platform handles vast amount of data and it can be complex to manage, especially when integrating with the other systems. To handle this, I focus on maintaining clean and organized data. This includes regular audits to identify any consistencies or inaccuracies. Also, understanding how different elements within Salesforce interact with each other is crucial. For instance, knowing how changes in one area might impact another help prevent potential issues. Lastly, continuous learning is key. Salesforce regularly updates its features and functionalities to staying updated helps me leverage the platforms effectively. Seventh number question. How have you used Journey Builder to create personalized customer journeys? Answer is in my experience with Journey Builder, I have leveraged its capabilities to create personalized customer journeys. For instance, I used it for an e-commerce client who wanted to tailor the communication strategy for their customers. I started by mapping out the customer's journey from acquisition to retention. Then, using data extension and decision splits, I create multi-step journey that send different email based on users' behavior. If a customer abandon their card, they receive a reminder email. If they made a purchases, they got thank you message followed by the product recommendation. This way, every interaction was relevant and timely, improving engagement rate significantly. Journey Builder real-time tracking also allow us to constantly monitor and tweak the journey for better results. How would you ensure data security when working with Salesforce Marketing Cloud? To ensure data security in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, I would implement several strategies. Role based access control is crucial to limit the exposure of sensitive data. By assigning role and permissions, we can restrict who has access to what information. Encryption, both at rest and in transit, is another key measure. It ensures that even if data is intercepted, it remains unreadable without the decryption key. Implementing strong password policies and two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Regular audit and monitoring are also important to identify and potential breaches or vulnerabilities promptly. Lastly, training staff on data security best practices help prevent accidental leak or data breaches due to human error. Next question. Can you describe a situation where you used Salesforce Marketing Cloud to increase customer engagement? Answer. In a previous project, we noticed that our client email campaign were not yielding desired results. I suggested leveraging Salesforce Marketing Cloud's predictive analytics tool to better understanding customers' behavior. We segmented the audience based on their interaction history and preferences using Journey Builder. We created personalized email journey for each segment. This resulted in higher open rates and increased engagement. Moreover, by utilizing Social Studio, we could monitor social media sentiments and respond promptly to customers' queries or complaints. improving overall customer satisfaction. This integrated approach led to an increase of 35% in customer engagement within 3 months. What methods would you use to segment and target customers within Salesforce Marketing Cloud? To segment and target customers within Salesforce Marketing Cloud, I would use a combination of data extension, audience builder, and journey builder. Data extension allows for a segmentation of data based on a specific criteria such as demographics or purchasing behavior. This can be used to create targeted customer list. Audience builder is a powerful tool that provides an overview of customers base, allowing for more sophisticated segmentation based on multiple attributes or and behaviors. Journey builder enables personalized customer journeys based on their interactions with the brand. It allows for targeting at each stage of the customer life cycle, ensuring relevant communication. Combining these tools effectively can lead the high targeted market campaigns. How would you approach training a team with varying levels of familiarity with Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Understanding that each team member has a different level of familiarity with the Salesforce Marketing Cloud, I would start by conducting an initial assessment to gauge their knowledge and skills. This will help in creating a tailored training plan. For beginners, the focus would be on basic functionality and navigation through hands-on session. For intermediate user, the training would delve into the complex features like automation, segmentation, and analytics. Advanced users could benefit from deep dives into advanced functionalities or problem solving workshop. Throughout this process, it's crucial to encourage questions and active participation for effective learning. Regular feedback and assessments would also be incorporated to measure progress and adjust the training as needed. 12 number question. Could you explain the role of SQL in a Salesforce Marketing Cloud and provide an example of how you have used it? Answer. SQL in Salesforce Marketing Cloud plays a crucial roles in managing and manipulating data. It allows us to perform complex queries, segment data, join multiple data extensions, and create automation activities. For instance, I once used SQL to automate the segmentation process for a client's email campaign. The client had a large customer base with varying interest and purchase histories. Using SQL, I created queries that segmented customer into different groups based on their past purchases and engagement levels. This allowed the client to send personalized email, improving open rates and conversions. Number 13 question. Can you share an instance where you used automation tool within Salesforce Marketing Cloud to improve efficiency? Answer. In one project, I utilized Journey Builder within Salesforce Marketing Cloud to automate a customer engagement process. The client had a manual method of sending email to new subscribers, which was time consuming and inefficient. I designed an automated journey that triggered welcome emails once a subscription was confirmed. This not only eliminated the need for manual intervention but also ensured timely communication with sales with customers. The result was increased efficiency, improved customer experience, and better email open rates. It demonstrated how automation tool in Salesforce Marketing Cloud can streamline process and enhance outcomes. So these all 13 questions. Please write a comment in comment section. What type of question you need to prepare your SFMC interviews? So I can bring these all questions. How have you used Salesforce Marketing Cloud to measure the success of marketing campaign? Answer. In Salesforce Marketing Cloud, I have utilized tools like Email Studio and Journey Builder to track key metrics such as open rate, click through rates, and conversion rates. For instance, using the A B testing feature in Email Studio, I could determine which email version resonate better with our target audience. Moreover, with Journey Builder, I was able to map out customer journeys and analyze engagement at each touch point. This helped us understand where potential customers were dropping off and allowed us to optimize those stages for better conversion. Furthermore, by integrating Marketing Cloud with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, we could track leads from marketing campaigns all the way through to sales conversions, providing a holistic view of campaigns effectiveness. 15 number question. What role does AMP script play in your work with Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Answer. AMP script plays a crucial role in my work with Salesforce Marketing Cloud as it helps to personalize and automate email content. It allows for dynamic content rendering based on subscribers' data, making each communication more relevant to the recipient. Moreover, AMP script adds in implementing complex business logic that is not possible through a standard personalization string or functions. This includes advanced calculation, data manipulation, and API calls. In essence, AppScript enhances the functionality of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, leading to improved customer engagement and satisfaction. 16 number question. How would you handle data migration to Salesforce Marketing Cloud from another platform? Answer. Data migration to Salesforce Marketing Cloud involves several steps. Understanding the data source data is crucial, so I would start by conducting through audit of the existing data structure and quality. This includes identifying an inconsistencies or gap that could affect the migration process. Next, mapping out how this data will fit into the Salesforce architecture is vital. This requires a deep understanding of both platforms to ensure seamless integration. Before moving the actual data, it's important to conduct a trial run with small subset of to identify potential issues. Once confident in the process, we can proceed with full scale migration. Keep close monitoring on the process to address any arising issue promptly. Post migration, validating the accuracy of migration data is critical to ensure its usability within Salesforce. Regular audits post migration are also necessary for the maintaining data integrity. Next question. Can you describe a situation where you had to customize Salesforce Marketing Cloud to meet a specific business need? Answer. In one project, the client needed a way to segment their customer base for targeted email campaigns. The existing system lacked the functionalities. I customized Salesforce Marketing Cloud by creating data extensions and implementing segmentation rules based on customer interaction history and demographics. This allowed more precise target of marketing efforts, improving campaigns effectiveness. Another customization involved automating certain process. Using Journey Builder, I set up automated email sequences that respond to a specific customer actions or events, saving time and increase efficiency. This customization not only met but exceeded the business needs, leading to improved marketing outcomes and customer engagement. 18 number question. How do you stay updated on new features and updates within Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Answer. I make use of various sources to stay updated on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. I regularly check the Salesforce website for any news updates and participate in their webinars and training sessions. The Salesforce community is also a great source of information where experts share insights about new features and best practices. Additionally, following Salesforce related blogs, podcasts, and social media channels helps me to keep up with industry trends. Attending Salesforce events and conferences provides networking opportunities and exposes me to real world case studies and involves innovative use of the platform. Lastly, I'm always exploring the software itself as it often has notification about updates and new features. Can you discuss a time you used predictive intelligence in Salesforce Marketing Cloud to drive a marketing strategy? Answer. In one project, we used Salesforce Marketing Cloud's predictive intelligence to optimize email campaigns. We analyzed customer data and identified patterns in purchase behavior. This helped us segment our audience based on their likelihood to engage with the certain products. We then tailored our email according to those segments, resulting in significant increase in open rates and conversions. The predictive analytic tool also enables us to forecast future trends and adjust our strategy accordingly. How would you handle a situation where a client is not satisfied with the result from a campaign run on Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Answer. In such situation, I would first ensure to understand the client's concern by asking a specific question about their dissatisfactions. Once identified, I would analyze campaign data on Salesforce Marketing Cloud to pinpoint areas of improvement. If it is an issue with the campaign strategy, I would propose adjustment based on insight from the data analysis. And if it is technical problem within this platform, I would liaison with our technical team for resolving to or reach out the Salesforce support if needed. At all times, maintaining open communication with the client to crucial ensuring they are updated about progress and changes made. This approach not only addresses the main immediate concern but also help build a stronger relationship with clients. How have you used Salesforce Marketing Cloud to improve customer retention? Answer. In utilizing Salesforce Marketing Cloud, I have leveraged its predictive analytic feature to enhance customer retention. By analyzing past behaviors and patterns, we could anticipate future actions of customers, enabling us to create personalized experiences. The Journey Builder tool was also instrumental in mapping out individual customer journey. This allowed for timely interaction with customers based on their preferences and behavior, improving engagement level. Email Studio was another valuable tool used for automating email campaigns. We created tailored messages triggered by a specific customer action that helped maintain a constant connection with the audience. Overall, these strategies led to improved customer satisfaction, loyalty, and ultimately higher retention rate. 22 number question. Can you explain how you have used Mobile Studio in Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Answer. In Salesforce Marketing Cloud, I have utilized Mobile Studio for creating and managing mobile marketing campaigns. It allows me to send SMS, MMS messages globally, which helped them in reaching a wider audience. I used its automation feature to schedule and automate the delivery of personalized text messages based on customers' behavior or events. This increased engagement rates significantly. Moreover, with Journey Builder integration, I was able to incorporate mobile touchpoints into cross-channel journeys, ensuring consistent communications across all platforms. Mobile Push was another tool I used within Mobile Studio. It enabled sending targeted push notifications to app users, enhancing user retention and re-engagement. Overall, my uses of Mobile Studio has been centered around improving customer interaction and personalization while maximizing reach and efficiency. 23 number question. What are the key metrics you track in Salesforce Marketing Cloud to evaluate campaign performance? Answer. Key metrics to track in Salesforce Marketing Cloud for evaluating campaigns performance includes open rate, click-through rate, conversion rate. Open rate. This indicates the percentage of recipients who opened your email. While the click-through rate, it measures how many people clicked on links within your email. While the conversion rate, this shows the percentage of recipients who completed a desired action such as making a purchase or filling out a form. Number bounce rate. It refers to the percentage of emails that couldn't be delivered. Fifth number is unsubscribed rate. This metrics tell you how many recipients choose to opt out from receiving future emails. These metrics provide valuable insight into the effectiveness of your campaigns and help identify area for improvements. 24 number question. How have you utilized Salesforce Marketing Cloud's integration with social media platforms? Answer. In utilizing Salesforce Marketing Cloud's integration with social media platforms, I have leveraged its social studio tool to manage and monitor brand engagement across different channels. This has allowed for real-time response to customer inquiries and feedback. I've also utilized Advertising Studio to create targeted ad campaigns on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. By integrating CRM data, we were able to personalize ads and increase conversion rates. Furthermore, the analytics provided by Salesforce helped me in understanding our audience better and refining our social media strategies accordingly. 25th number question is, can you share your experience with Salesforce Marketing Cloud's API and how you have used it? Answer. I have extensive experience with Salesforce Marketing Cloud's API. I have used it to integrating various systems such as CRM and ERP with Marketing Cloud for seamless data exchange. One project involved automating email campaign based on customer behavior in an e-commerce platform. The API was instrumental in real-time syncing of customer data between platforms, enabling personalized content delivery. Another use case was creating customer reports by pulling data from Marketing Cloud into a BI tool. This allowed us to analyze campaign performance more effectively. Overall, my experience has shown me that the API is robust, flexible, and critical for maximizing the value of Salesforce Marketing Cloud. 26 number question. How would you go about setting up a multi-channel marketing campaign in Salesforce Marketing Cloud? Setting up a multi-channel marketing campaign in Salesforce Marketing Cloud involves several steps. You would start by defining your targeted audience using segmentation tool available within the platform. This allows you to tailor your message according to customer profiles. Next, design and create personalized content for each channel, just like email, social media, mobile, etc. Utilize the content builder tool for this purpose, then set up automation workflow using journey builder. This enables delivering the right content at the right time across different channels. Finally, monitor campaign performance through built-in analytics tool. This provides insight on engagement metrics which can be used for future campaign optimization. Can you explain how you have used Content Builder in the past? Answer. In my experience, I have used Content Builder to create and manage content for email campaigns. This involved using its drag and drop interface to design email with personalized content block. I also utilized the A/B testing feature to determine which version of email had better response rate. The data-driven insights helped in making informed decisions about future campaigns. Moreover, I leveraged the tool dynamic content capabilities to deliver targeted messages based on subscriber attributes and behavior. This led to increased engagement rate as the content was more relevant to each recipient. Overall, Content Builder has been instrumental in streamlining the process of creating, testing, and deploying email marketing campaigns. 28 number question. How do you ensure high deliverability rate for email sent through Salesforce Marketing Cloud? To ensure high deliverability rates for email sent through Salesforce Marketing Cloud, this it's crucial to maintain a healthy center reputation. This involves monitoring bounces rate and spam compliance closely and taking action of these metrics start to increase. Regularly cleaning your email list can also improve deliverability. Removing unengaged subscribers help maintain higher engagement rate and reduce the risk of being marked as spam. Moreover, personalizing email and ensuring they provide value to recipients boost campaign open rates and decrease the likelihood of unsubscribe or spam reports. Lastly, adhering to all CAN Spam Act requirements is essential, such as including an unsubscribe link in every email. Non-compliance can lead to penalties and damage to sender reputation. 29 number question. Can you discuss your experience with Salesforce Marketing Cloud's data management tool? Answer. I have extensive experience with Salesforce Marketing Cloud's data management tool. I have utilized data extension for storing and segmenting customer data, which allowed me to create targeted marketing campaigns. Furthermore, I used SQL queries within Automation Studio to manipulate this data and generate new insights. This helped in enhancing the effectiveness of our email marketing strategies. Moreover, I worked with the audience builder to get a 360-degree view of customers across various touchpoints. This facilitated personalized communication based on individual customer behavior and preferences. My proficiency also extends to using Contact Builder for managing relationship between different sets of data. It was instrumental in creating a unified customer profile and understanding their journey across multiple channels. Next question. How would you handle situation where Salesforce Marketing Cloud is not meeting the client's expectations? Answer. Understanding the client's expectation and identifying the gap is crucial. I would conduct an in-depth analysis to understand why Salesforce Marketing isn't meeting their needs. If it is functionality issues, I would explore whether customization or integration with other tools could solve the problem. If it's about users adoption or understanding of the platform, training session might be needed. Communication is key. I would ensure that the clients understands what the tool can realistically delivering and align this with their business goal. It's important to manage expectations while striving to maximize the value they get from the platform. So this all 30 questions and 10 question initially, total 40 questions, that is far related to the Salesforce Marketing Cloud Consultant expert role. So thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.